In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to discover some of the Shopify apps being used by an online store using a straightforward yet effective method. While it's impossible to identify every app, especially those that work behind the scenes or are private, this technique will help you uncover many of the apps visible on the storefront. These are typically embedded through scripts, tags, or other means that interact with the front end of a website. To get started, we're going to use a browser extension, a simple tool that works with either Chrome or Firefox, known as an app detector. These extensions are designed to peek under the hood of a website, identifying various elements, including the apps that give Shopify stores their unique capabilities and appearances. Now, several options are available, such as the Shopify App Detector by EasyFY, the Shopify App Detector by ShopScan, and Koala Inspector. All of these options provide similar functionality, so feel free to choose the one that best fits your needs or try them out to compare their features. Once you've decided on an extension, the first step is to install it. Navigate to your desired extensions page, whether it's on the Chrome Web Store or the Firefox add-ons site, and click the Install or Add button. Your browser will guide you through a quick setup process, ensuring the extension is ready to use in no time. With the installation complete, you can now move on to the fun part, visiting the Shopify store that piques your interest. Simply navigate to the store's homepage or any specific page you're curious about. Ensure that the page has fully loaded, which allows the extension to accurately scan through the site's front-end components. Next, you'll want to look for the extension's icon in your browser toolbar. It may appear as a small symbol or logo that represents the extension. Click on this icon. The extension will then activate, quickly scanning the website's front-end code, which includes scripts, CSS styles, and various tags that could hide clues about the apps being used. And voila! The extension displays the results, revealing a list of detected apps. In addition to apps, you might also see information about the store's theme or any analytics tools in use. This readout is a valuable snapshot of how certain functionalities are implemented on the Shopify store without any need for coding skills or manual searches through the site's data. Several important points to keep in mind include the reminder that this method is primarily for discovering front-end apps. There might be many back-end processes and private apps enhancing the store that remain invisible using this approach. However, for those initial insights, or when you're simply curious, this method is both accessible and efficient. If you're interested in digital marketing, e-commerce trends, or just have a specific fascination with tech